No, so, my table and chairs got delivered today. And, it's just a small table. It's not a very big table, but it's got 2 chairs. I don't have a very big space to put it in, so we don't need anything real big for in here. That's the seats. These are the seats to the chairs. Hang on, let me turn some light on. That's the back. The back to the chair. The other one. Welcome back to Texas Decor and more. Y'all, if you haven't yet, please hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Hit the like and share button as well. Uh-oh, there it went. Bit the dust. Look. It bit the dust. These are all the parts to it. Okay, so we've got the table part pretty much almost assembled. That's the next step, and then we're going to be moving on to the chairs. So we've almost got one chair put together. We still got one more to go, but it's coming along. Let me show y'all the table. Here it is. There's a little table. There it is. Got that assembled. So it's the next day. It took us a while to get the second chair done, but it is done. And here's the table. This is what it looks like. I think it came out really, really nice. It's really pretty. I love the wood tone up against the black. And there it is, guys. What do y'all think? I think it came out really, really cute. Let me get back here so y'all can see. This is the full deal. So yeah, now we got us a table. Yay! I'm excited. We haven't sat down and had breakfast or anything yet, but I think it looks pretty good in my kitchen. It's just the right size. We didn't need anything too grand or too big, so it's going to serve its purpose very nicely, I think. Well, if you haven't yet, please like, share, and subscribe. Share my videos. Share with a friend. And leave a comment in the comments below and let me know how you think the table turned out.